Hello children, how are you? Hello children, how are you? Hello children, how are you? How are you today? Hello Sonia, how are you? Hello Sonia, how are you? Hello Sonia, how are you? How are you today? I am fine. Thank you. And you? I know you are fantastic. Let's play now. Okay, here I've got hot weather, hot weather. Here, rainy weather. And here, cold weather, cold weather. Okay, I've got here lots of clothes. Okay, we have to decide if we use them in hot weather, rainy weather, or cold weather. Let's go one by one. Okay, here I've got a jumper, okay? Jumper, obviously we don't use it in hot weather. We can use it in rainy weather or cold weather. What do you think? Maybe when it's rainy and it's not very cold, we just wear a jumper on? Well, yeah. Or we can put it here between rainy and cold. Let's talk about the scarf. Where shall we wear the scarf? When it's sunny or hot, rainy or cold weather? Cold weather, basically in winter. Yeah? Okay. Here we've got a t-shirt. T-shirt, excellent. When are we gonna use the t-shirts? In hot weather, basically in summer, but hot weather. We are gonna say hot weather. What about this? This is a jacket. Jacket. It's similar to the jumper, but it's open and we have to close it with buttons or zip, okay? This is a jacket. When are we gonna use the jacket? With hot weather, cold weather, or rainy weather? I think the same as the jumper. We can put it between rainy weather and cold weather. Let's see now the coat. Coat, yeah? Well, obviously the coat is for cold weather. Look at these tiny ones. They are shoes or trainers. When do we use them? I think when it's hot, sometimes we wear sandals and sometimes we wear shoes or trainers. Yeah? What about this? Do you remember the name of this? Of course you do. Shorts. Shorts. Yeah. We use shorts in hot weather. Excellent. Let's see the umbrella. Umbrella. Obviously, we use the umbrella when it's rainy. When it's raining in a rainy day. What happened with the trousers? Remember, these are trousers. These are, shorts, okay? Trousers, shorts. Okay, the shorts we said that in hot weather. What about the trousers? Both rainy weather or cold weather. Yeah? Here, let me get them. We've got boots. Boots. They are winter boots, yeah? Winter boots. We use them in cold weather, of course. Let's see this. What is this? It's a hat, winter hat, yeah? So we put the winter hat in cold weather. This is a skirt, excellent, skirt. And we put it on in summer time. I mean in hot weather. These are boots as well, but they are rain boots. Rain boots. Obviously, we use rain boots in the rainy weather. What about this? It's a dress. It's a summer dress. Summer dress. We use it in hot weather. And this cap also in hot weather. What do you think about these tiny whiny, teeny weeny sandals? Yeah, hot weather, hot weather. As I told you before, in hot weather, sometimes we use trainers or shoes. Sometimes we use sandals. And what about this? This is a raincoat. Raincoat. We use raincoat in rainy weather, of course. Okay, so we have classified each clothes with the weather that we put them on. Now I've got here my friend Sally. Do you remember her? Yeah. Okay, we are gonna dress Sally for different weathers, okay? As we already have the clothes in the different places, we just need to put them on. Okay. Let's see. If it's hot, Sally is going to wear a dress and sandals. And of course, a cap to protect her from the sun. She can also use t-shirt and shorts. Or t-shirt and skirt. And she can use sandals or trainers. Okay, let's see. When it's rainy, Sally is going to use trousers, a jumper, and rainy boots. Jumper, trousers, and rainy boots. But maybe she prefers to wear a jacket, as we said. Okay? Jacket, trousers, and rain boots. Okay. On top of that, she's gonna wear the raincoat. The raincoat, yeah? And she cannot forget the umbrella, okay? The umbrella. So she doesn't get wet. Oops, sorry. And when it's, wait a second, when it's cold, yeah, she can use as well the trousers, jacket. She can use the jumper, I think when it's very cold, it's nice to wear boots because they keep our feet warm, yeah? And on top of this, she needs a coat. Let me put it on properly. Coat, a winter hat, and scarf. Yeah? Okay, for cold weather, hat, scarf, coat, jumper, trousers, and boots. And now it's time to say bye-bye. The clock goes tick-tock, the clock goes tick-tock, the clock goes tick-tock. It's time to say bye-bye.